Now we take the second one, that is a test of similarity. Even instead of three triangle angles, even if two angles are similar or congruent, then those triangles are said to be similar. So when two angles of a triangle or one triangle are congruent to two corresponding angles of another triangle, okay, then this condition is called a test of similarity. So when two angles of a triangle, so this angle, which angle? Q corresponding to x, y, they are congruent. Angle R is congruent to angle Z. They have one-to-one correspondence. Therefore, triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ by a test of similarity. In the previous one, AAA, three angles have to be congruent. So here, if two angles are congruent, then also they are similar. Now, you are wondering, I said that there are three conditions. Three conditions have to be fulfilled, and here only two conditions are fulfilled. Okay, for this, I will explain with the help of an example. Okay, why here also three conditions are fulfilled. Now, for example, in triangle PQR, let's take measurement of angle Q is 60, measure of angle Y is also 60. We are saying two angles are congruent, right? So, angle Q is congruent to angle Y, angle R is congruent to angle Z. Okay, so both are angle R and angle Z is 60 degree. Now, what are the sum of the measurements of a triangle? The sum of the angles of a triangle, the measurement is 180. Okay, now we're going to total it. Measure angle P, we don't know. Okay, measure angle P, so I will write measure angle P as it is. Okay, before that, measure angle P plus measure angle Q plus measure angle R is equal to 180. Why? Sum of the angles of the triangle is 180, right? We'll substitute the values. Now, what happens? Angle P we don't know. We leave it as it is. Measure angle P. Then measure angle Q is 60. Measure angle R is 60. Right? So, measure angle P we write it as it is. 60 plus 60 is 120. And the sum 180 is the sum of the angles of a triangle. Any triangle, the total measurement of the angles is 180. Now, measure angle P is equal to 180. You bring this side, this will become minus 120, and so measure angle P is 60. Now we got measure angle P 60. Now we'll take this side. Okay, we said measure angle X is we don't know. Measure angle Y is 60. Measure angle Z is 60. Okay, and what is the sum of the angles of a triangle? It is 180. So measure angle X plus measure angle Y plus measure angle Z. These three angles. Okay, this three angles sum is 180. Now we don't know the measurement of angle X. We write it as it is. Measure angle Y is 60. Okay. Measure angle Z is 60. And total measurement is 180. So measure angle X is equal to 60 plus 60 is 120. And right hand side the 180 is there. Then measure angle X is equal to 120. You bring this side. So again be 60. Now you can see here measure angle P is also 60. Measure angle X is also 60. So here also it is 60. Right? P is 60 and X is 60. So when you know two angles are congruent, automatically third angle will also be congruent only because the total measurement is 180. You've already got the total of these two angles. They are equal. And then the third angle automatically will be equal. So we don't have to get three conditions. One condition is understood. Okay, we have to understand that since two angles are congruent, automatically third angle will also be congruent.
Thank you, dear children, and God bless you always.